एवरीवन लर्न इंग्लिश, बट कोई भी अपनी कंफर्ट जोन को नहीं छोड़ना चाहता है। जब तक आप कंफर्ट जोन को नहीं छोड़ेंगे आप कोई भी चीज नया नहीं कर पाएंगे। सो इफ यू वांट टू लर्न इंग्लिश, इफ यू वांट टू improve your English, if you want to speak in front of others, so stay tuned here. You watch full video. Today I share 6 tips. In these tips you have to improve your English and you have to achieve your goal. Okay friends, so this is Smrita, you watching Smrita English Academy. So first tips is here, don't afraid while making mistake. Okay, you know friends, when we are small, when we are learn our native language, how we are learn? While speaking. Yeah, we are listening our parents and we are speaking. Okay, so this is our not native language, our second language. We are learning second language, so of course we are making mistake. So why you afraid? Why you hesitate in front of others? No, I'm not speaking because I have a hesitation of front of others. While if I make mistakes, so what people are think about me? Yeah, so when I learn this language also I think what people think for me. If I make mistake, if I make a grammatical mistake, if I speak wrong sentence, people laughing me. But if I think like this continue, so why I'm speaking? Not now. So why you not thinking? So you, आपको कंफर्ट जोन छोड़ना होगा, ठीक है। आपको ये सोचना बंद करना होगा कि मैं इंग्लिश बोलूंगा तो लोग हंसेंगे। ऑफ कोर्स एवरीवन डूइंग मिस्टेक। ओके, सो वी आर लर्निंग सेकंड लैंग्वेज, नॉट आवर लैंग्वेज, बट this language is global language. This language is important for education, for job, for going other country also. So that's why we are learning. As a subject we are learning in school days. Okay, but we are not speaking. That's why we are not speaking. We can't speak. So if we are speaking in school time, so we are fluent. But we are learning only as a subject, not a language. Now we are learning as a language. Okay, so you don't think about I'm making mistake. Okay, you try to speak whatever you know. Okay, whatever you know, like little things, like I'm making video, मैं वीडियो बना रही हूँ, I'm making video. Okay, मैं चाय पी रही हूँ, I'm drinking tea, मैं खाना खा रही हूँ, I'm having food, I'm having lunch. Okay, मैं मार्केट जाऊंगी, मैं बाजार जाऊंगी, I will go market. मैं बाजार जा रही हूँ, I am going market. Okay, so first you start little thing, small sentence. Even you have to start small word also. Okay, so if you start small word daily, so this is the habitual, your mind, your training, your mind, your mouth, your muscles. So you have to need consistency also, and don't afraid while making mistake. If I make mistakes, what people think? Okay, if you are thinking like this, you never speak this language, or you can say any language we are learn while speaking. Okay, so now next next topic is you have to develop your vocabulary. Okay, so if you want to speak any language, if you want to make any sentence, you need to must bird. If you have bird, if you have, you know what is the meaning of this word or what is the meaning of this word, you have to understand what they think, what they say. Okay, so you have to you think if we are learning Hindi, okay, so also we are learning ka kha ga gha. Yeah, first we are learning these things, and again we are learning small words, and then we are making sentence. Okay, so this thing also you have to do here also. First you have to make strong your words, your vocabulary. Like we are making house, how make one eat करके. First we are making knee, base, so you have to strong your base. Okay, the vocabulary is this base. So if you are making strong your base, your vocabulary, so this is easy for speaking, for understanding. Okay, so the third thing is improve your grammar. Okay, not too much, but yeah, tenses is important. If not strong your grammar, so how you know this sentence, past sentence, future sentence, or present sentence? So you have to need strong your grammar also. No need to too much grammar. Okay, if you want to only speaking, if you are housewife, if you are learn only this is language, not for if you are not a student, if you're not doing any job, so you have to learn little grammar. Okay, for only speaking. If you are a student, so you have to do vocabulary, all things, grammar, and deeply. Okay, if you are only you want only speaking, ठीक है, अगर आप बोलचाल की भाषा ओनली सीखना चाहते हो तो जस्ट आप उतना ग्रामर याद कर लो, उतना ग्रामर पढ़ लो कि आपको पता चले कि प्रेजेंट का है, पास्ट का है और फ्यूचर का है ये सेंटेंस. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज थिंकिंग इन इंग्लिश. ओके, थिंकिंग इन इंग्लिश, वॉट एवर यू डूइंग, ओके, यू थिंक इन इंग्लिश. सपोज दैट मैं बैठी हूँ, ठीक है, सो आई एम थिंकिंग, आई एम सिटिंग. मैं किस पे बैठी हूँ? मैं चेयर पे बैठी हूँ. सपोज थिंक आई एम सिटिंग ऑन द चेयर. ओके, या लाइक दिस. what are you doing next day? You think tomorrow I am going market, take vegetables, take clothes. Yeah, tomorrow I'm going to school, I learn math, I learn English, I learn so many things. Okay, so think in English whatever you're doing. Okay, suppose that you eating food, मैं खाना खा रही हूँ, आई एम ईटिंग फूड. मैं चपाती खा रही हूँ, आई एम ईटिंग चपाती. मैं चाय पी रही हूँ, आई एम ड्रिंकिंग टी. ओके, मुझे नींद आ रही है, आई एम फीलिंग स्लीपी. सो वट एवर यू डूइंग, यू थिंक. इफ यू आर थिंकिंग इन इंग्लिश, सो you have to train your mind, and you watch all content in English. Many contents available on YouTube and other device. So whatever you watch in English. Whatever you think in English. Okay, suppose that I am looking here and there. मेरे सामने दीवार है, ठीक है, दिस इज अ वॉल. मेरे सामने पेंसिल है, दिस इज अ पेंसिल. थिंक, मेरे सामने, मेरे पास पेन है, आई हैव पेन. ठीक है, सो दिस टाइप you think little first, and you think all things. Next tip is talk yourself. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, टॉक योर सेल्फ। ठीक है, अगर आपको हेजिटेशन है कि आप किसी और के सामने बोलोगे तो बैड साउंड करेगा या फिर आप मिस्टेक करोगे वाइल मेकिंग मिस्टेक, सो फर्स्ट यू टॉक योर सेल्फ. You have to talk in front of camera, you have to talk in front of mirror, okay, you have to talk in front of yourself, but you have to talk your children, your child, because while talking with child you have no hesitation, because this is child. If you making mistake, he is not understand, but if you making mistake, you observe why while talking I'm making mistake, and next time you remove your mistake. Okay, so you have to talk. Without talking you not improve your speaking language, speaking English, speaking technique. Okay, so this is very important to learn this language, any language, you can say any language. जब तक बोलोगे नहीं तब तक सीखोगे नहीं. ओके, सो बहुत ज़रूरी है बोलना, बहुत ज़रूरी है सीखने के लिए, हमें बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू टॉकिंग any language. We are learning any language. Like a small boy, he talking, he listen, he talking, he listen, he talking, he don't know I'm talking right or wrong, but he talking. Okay, so no hesitation, you are talking. In this way you have to learn this language. Okay, not one day, you have to make consistency. Consistency is the key of success. So you make consistency, you have to talking, you have to no afraid while making mistake, you have to make vocabulary strong, and you have to make your grammar strong also. So this way you have to learn this language, spoken language, English language. Okay, so you have to try. If you learn in this video anything, if you like this video, so please one like, and if you are new here in this channel Smrita English Academy, so you have to subscribe. Okay friends, so you try to all things. Thank you for watching.